Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got a Petite Ave bag to share with you. So this is a styling service for petites. It's in its name. So if you're 5'5" and under, you can give this bag a try. This is my second bag. With Petite Ave, you do pay a $25 styling fee. They send you 5 items of clothing. Now they do send you a preview of your items as well. So you can let them know if you don't care for the preview and they'll pick new items to send. So there was one item that I was concerned about in this bag being too short and they assured me that it wasn't. So we'll see how it looks. I've got 4 tops and a pair of pants. So ready to see what I got? I'll be right back. Okay, so the first piece is a kimono. I am a kimono girl. I think this one's really pretty. It's by the brand West Key. It's the green floral kimono. It is a little bit pricey. It's $49. I feel like that's a little pricey for a kimono. It's in a large petite and 100% polyester. So it is a kimono you'd have to tie here at the waist. You can't wear it untied because the strings just hang down. You know, that's not a good look. So you do have to tie it. I just grabbed a white tank because they sent me white jeans and I don't think I'd, wear it with white jeans. I'd probably wear it with a white tank and black pants to work, even black jeans or my regular denim. I think the colors in this kimono are absolutely beautiful. Look, it's got some mustards. I love the background teal color and I love the color combinations too. If you look closely, like in the floral print in certain areas, like right here, that's like a bright, but there's blue. So pretty, isn't it? So I do love the colors. I love the print. I love the style of this kimono. I like the arms, the sleeves, I should say. I did tie it because you gotta tie it. Let me show you the back of it. So I think it's super cute. It just doesn't go well with this tank because the tank is a little bit longer, but I love the kimono itself. I really do. $50 is a little pricey for a kimono, isn't it though? I don't know, is that just me? Let's see. Yeah, see, I can't leave it open. Nope, not a good look. But I'd wear it tied anyway. I think the tie look is cute. Oops. So let me know what you think. Yeah, I want to keep it. I just don't know if I want to pay $50 for it. Now, I am pulling for kimonos a lot. As you saw in my intro, I am. They're good transition pieces because I need something, in the morning it's a little bit cooler. Like this is perfect for a morning like this, but in the afternoon it still gets warm. And so I need layering pieces. So I've been pulling for kimonos a lot. So yeah, maybe I'll keep it. All right, I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, so next top is by CeCe by Cynthia Steff. It's the floral button-down blouse. It's $59. It's an extra large and it's 100% polyester. I think it would be a really cute work blouse. I like the neckline of it. Look at how cute these little bell sleeves are. They're like mini bell sleeves. Aren't they adorable? I love the print of this top. It does button all the way down. Monica over at Cranky Grandma has said to me multiple times that if you get a petite button down, it fixes the gaping issue. Well, she was right. There's no pulling. So that's really nice. I like that. It does kind of split at the bottom here. So I have it on with the white jeans that they sent me. We'll talk about those in a few minutes. Actually, maybe after this because I want to get out of these. So I just think that it would look really nice with the white. Even if you had, like I have a pair of mint green jeans. There's some mint green, see? Yep. With pink jeans, you could wear them with your regular denim. So this would go with a lot. And you could throw a cardigan over too if you really needed to. Let me show you the back of it, hang on. So I think it's a really cute blouse. So I think I'm gonna keep that. I know it's a little bit pricey. The prices are a little bit high in this one, huh? So yeah, but I like it a lot. I do. All right, let's talk about these jeans. Let me grab the sheet. So the jeans, I didn't realize it was my fault. I didn't pay close enough attention to the preview to know that they're capris. I don't really pull for capris. I don't know what it is. I just don't wear them. So I'm not gonna keep these for sure. These are by Cut From The Cloth. They're the white boyfriend jeans and they are $79. So let me back up so you can see them. I probably should have turned the camera down. Oh no, you can see them. So what do you think? I mean, they're not bad. Like I said, I won't wear them. So, yep, they came cuffed. They're just a white, white capri in the boyfriend style. Whoops. One day, this is going to be a huge accident. I keep saying that, and I haven't learned, right? All right, let me show you the back of them. Yeah, I'm just not a capri girl, so these are gonna go back. All right, I'm not opposed to wearing white jeans though after Labor Day. Did I already say that? I'm not. All right, I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, next tank is by Nanette Leopore. It's the black peplum blouse. It's $59. Extra large, it's 73% polyester, 25% rayon, and 2% spandex. So I like the top from like here up. I like that it has the mesh detailing. I'm sure you can see that. Yeah, you can. It's totally see-through, so you have to wear, like I put my own black tank right underneath. You gotta wear something underneath it. So, you know, I put black, but you could probably have fun with it and put like a colored tank underneath if you wanted to be a little bit fun that day, right? So I do like the top. I just don't know about the peplum. I don't know. And like I said, it's all the way through that's the mesh, so you got to wear a tank. Yeah, I don't think peplum styles look good on me. You're going to have to let me know. I wish it was just a straight cut because I could use pieces like this for layering, you know? But yeah, I just think it's too much. Yeah, it might be. All right, let me show you the back of it. I don't think what was the price of this? $59. I don't know. I think for $59 I'm gonna pass because I'm not 100% sure. So, oh man. All right, I think I have one more piece to show you, so let me grab it and I'll be right back. Okay, so last top is by Nanette Leopore. It's the pink sleeveless knit tank. It's $59. It's 97% rayon, 3% spandex. It is in an extra large as well. So I love the color of this tank. They say pink, but I'm calling this, you know, almost like a muted coral. It's not a bright coral, definitely, you know, almost like, what's the word we're gonna use to describe this one? Let me think about it for a minute. I do like the details here of the tank too. They've got some like beaded details, so it's like split and you see the beads. I think that's really pretty. You know, I love the neckline. The only thing I don't care for is the material. So I usually like rayon, but I feel like this is a top that no matter what is gonna cling in this area. And see how you could see like my jean buttons and all the like bumps and lumps. It's not flattering. So I like the length. This is the one that I questioned the length too, and they were right. It's not too short. I like the length of this top. I just wish it wasn't so clingy. Yeah. Don't you hate that? Like from here up, it's perfect. Oh gosh, these hanger tags. I have to tell you a story. So I was with one of my friends and she had a hanger tag. She had a kimono on and I saw a hanger tag and I'm like, oh my gosh. I grabbed my scissors and I'm like, can I please cut your hanger tag off? And she's like, oh no, I use the hanger tags. I'm like, who uses the hanger tags? You're crazy. So yep, she uses hanger tags. I wanted to cut it off so badly. They bother me so badly. Oh, here we go, another one over here. So yeah, I just don't think I'm gonna keep it because of the clinginess. Just not flattering, huh? Yeah. All right, let me show you the back of it. Pretty color, pretty neckline. Let me fix it. And pretty detail. But yeah, nope. Right here. All right, I'll be right back and we'll do a recap. Okay, I really love the color of this top. I'm gonna keep it on for the recap. I am gonna send it back though. I'm gonna take it off right after and put it in the bag. It is a really pretty color, so I'm hoping I could find something else in this color. The black peplum top, I also am gonna send back. I just don't think the peplum style was that flattering on me, so that one's gonna go back too. The white cut from the Kloth boyfriend capris, like I said, I'm not a capri girl. They did size me down to a 14, so if you're interested in these capris, they would probably size you down, or you know, you can ask for a size down, or you can order them right from the Cut from the Kloth website in a size down. Yep. Okay, so these are the two that I'm considering, the kimono and the black floral blouse. I think I'll get a lot of use out of both of them. They were both a bit pricey. I think one of them, this was $49 and this is $59. So let me know what you think. I may end up just deciding to keep one of them because I just feel like they're a little bit pricey. I could be wrong though. You know what the problem is? I'm doing so much shopping on my own and I'm finding some good deals out there. And so when I get pieces in my boxes, I'm like, ooh, that's not what I'm seeing in the store. I'm seeing sale prices. So that's what's throwing me off. So I think I might just keep one. So let me know which one was your favorite, the kimono or the floral blouse. I like them both. I'd like to keep them both, but I don't know. Let me know what you think. All right, thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.